how to auto scroll Instagram Reels without holding. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, Instagram has introduced a new feature that is called auto scroll, where you don't need to swipe your fingers to scroll the Reels. So, I'll show you how to do it. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure that the Instagram is updated to the latest version. Then open up an Instagram app and go to the reel section. So once you find the reel, you need to tap on the three dots on the bottom right. And there you can see the auto scroll option. Just toggle it on. And the reels will scroll itself. It's as simple as that. So I'll show you. Once the video ends, it will scroll itself. There you go. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.